guys inside. He's got it. They can depend on outside. Can you say Shot City? Shot City.
University of Cebu with the possession. Number 5 for 3. Yes.
Blanco. De La Torre open for 3. He puts it in. 3-on-2 break. He subs, passes to De La Torre. De La Torre fakes. Nice jumper there.
De La Torre. Pull-up jumper by De La Torre. Too short, and he bounced.
With Masters team, it's for them to go with passing. The good ball rotations that they do. And
De La Torre with a spin move. De La Torre! Looks like they're carrying the momentum right now. De La Torre open, and he nails the jumper. Get a beard?
yes, he also has the beard.
Really?
Oh, what a move by De La Torre!
The Wildcats partner is that they have players that can shoot the ball. Like Boca, Cats will win. He's really clicking in this final quarter.
Oh!
Shooting well from outside, so he takes it down low.
Good shot there by De La
Tumba now with 4 points. De La Torre, jumper, and it's good. Number 12 open for 3. Air ball, nice
Another
offensive.
rebound by De
Dacalos for 3, no good. De La Torre, oh!
Will it count? Will it?
Still no good, but Umilia gets the steal, finds De La Torre inside. Good 2-point.
Nice fake by Dacalos. Dacalos drop pass to De La Torre. Puerto. De La Torre to Dacalos. Nice passing there by the Webmasters.
Nice ball losses to start the season.
But you know, this is anybody's ball game. Both are nice
what
fight
a
there.
pass!
Wow, Hapelio with it. Setting the play. De La Torre, nice find to Colango and Colango.
Lost the ball.
Lalo
Practice
De La
there,
Torre.
De La Torre.
The Gladiator.
Kalimtan ko nga sa kagikan. Wow, good crossover by De La Torre. But I think it's left.
No
Now
time
De La
outside.
Torre have the ball. De La Torre. De La Torre tries a 3. Pass to
Colango.
Oh! Yeah. Now De La Torre. De La Torre finds Dacalos inside. Yes!
That
He can really score, and
these two guys really improving the game.
now De La Torre. De La Torre inside, pass to Codilia. Codilia jumper.
Oh!
Yes!
His team
Also playing
is
small.
also playing small without Scotty and Tumba starting.
De La Torre to Dacalos. Dacalos.
Oh,
Wow, nice pass to Codilia. Here comes UC.
Inside. What a pass inside for De La Torre.
Dacalos. Dacalos. Nice pass. And the layup is good. De La Torre. De La Torre all the way. A steal there by Clean Sweldo. And here comes the Webmasters. De La Torre. De La Torre with a left-handed.
Another 3-point bomb from Albina. And now 4-point lead. They play masagtang na yun later, but if you try to look at these two teams, as De La Torre catches it back for a finish.
will De La Torre answer?
De La Torre.
Answer said with a
Wow, good spin there. And a good move.
De La Torre again. De La Torre will drive. De La Torre with a layup. He's doing the shot.
Yeah, I was kind of bothered. But he's still making game face even if he misses the shot. To be the Gracia. Oh, lost the ball. Here comes Delator.
I'm still looking at
the
him
ball.
right now, actually. Bound by Colango. Outlet pass to the Gladiator, and he will take the... Yeah, he told me that he will do it in the finals. But before that, he must win.
What a move!